Christian, grab the door. Just push it, the door. Because y'all been waiting a long time to meet him. Finally. Thank you. Oh, got a good security guards here. Finally.
Congratulations.
Thank you. And I already got my ID.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
And enjoy.
Thanks. Go walk. You ready to go home, buddy?
I sure am.
You ready?
Do you have a long ride home? Or
No, we live on McSukie.
Fabulous.
Yeah, before you get to Capitol Circle. Oh, it's okay. It's all right.
As soon as we get down there, yeah, I'll run and grab the cars. Park right this way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all excited?
First.
It's okay.
What was that?